Holy crap, they got some set of balls. Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips, and this is a review of VidIQ. Now, I'm a bit perturbed about the things that they need to have access to your account for. Most people would probably just click allow, but this raises a red flag for me. Alright, so just so you have an understanding, I'm actually going to click cancel because I thought, you know, I'm subscribed to VidIQ. However, I mean, their extension for Chrome, and when you log into their account, this is what they ask for you to have access to. Now, they need to manage my YouTube account. Now, look what they mean. View and manage your videos and playlists. So that means they could change my videos and change my playlists. That's what manage means. What? Doesn't say view your videos and playlists. It says manage. That means modify. What the f? View and manage your YouTube activity, including posting public comments. So I mean, I'm granting VidIQ to post under my name anywhere they want. Holy really? Oh my god. View YouTube analytics reports on your YouTube for your YouTube content. That's fine because Social Blade can do that right out of the box without requesting any of this. View and manage your assets and associated content on YouTube. View and manage your assets and associated content. View and manage your policies and rights. Oh my god, for video content on YouTube. Holy crap, really? View and manage your references used in content claiming, as well as uploading new references. Holy mackerel. View and manage the set of users within your organization who can manage content on your behalf. So they can add and remove people that they see fit to manage my stuff. What are you freaking kidding me? View YouTube account. View your videos and playlists. View your YouTube activity. That'll be fine. For upload videos to your YouTube account. So that means they have the right to upload anything they want to my account and have me banned. So if it's inappropriate content, they can screw with me. View monetary and non-monetary YouTube analytic reports for your YouTube content. View monetary and non-monetary YouTube analytic reports. View earnings reports for your YouTube channels and videos. Holy crap, they got some set of balls. View private information of your YouTube channel relevant during the audit process with a YouTube partner. View your channel's private information. Ooh, private information that is relevant during the audit process. View if your YouTube channel is in good standing. It is. Now this one blows my mind. Manage your YouTube account. View and manage your videos and playlists. View and manage your YouTube activity, including posting public comments. View content owner account details from YouTube. View the content owner name and ID associated with your account. View the content details of the content owners associated with your account. View configuration details for the account. Yeah, right. You're out of your freaking mind. That ain't happening. Holy crap. So that blows my mind. I mean, I have an account on here and everything like that, and I just reset my password, but I really wanted this to function. And this is not going to work because if I don't grant those permissions, that's what's going to happen. So it's just a recommendation. I wouldn't do it. That's like pretty much handing your life over to VidIQ. I'm a little perturbed about that. I mean, granted, these cool statistics are nice to see, but these are just anybody can view this. I mean, you can log in, you can go to a Social Blade and have fun and look at all the analytics in real time. I want you to see something that's important. This is terms of service for YouTube, okay? And this is important because VidIQ is essentially, I'm going to scroll down to the most important section here, which is what you need to view Okay? You agree not to use or launch any automated system, including without limitation robot spiders or offline readers that access the service in a manner that sends more request messages to the YouTube servers in a given period of time than a human can reasonably produce in the same period by using a conventional online web browser. Notwithstanding the foregoing, YouTube grants that operators of public search engines permissions to use spiders to copy materials from the site for the sole purpose of and solely to the extent of necessary for creating publicity available searchable indices of materials, but not caches or archives of such materials. YouTube reserves the right to revoke these exceptions, either generally or in specific cases. You agree not to collect or harvest any personal identifiable information, including account names, from the service, nor use the communication systems provided by the service, comments, email, for any commercial I can't even say the word, solicitation purposes. You agree not to solicit for commercial purposes. Any users of the service will respect their content. This is what VidIQ does. It doesn't make any sense. I'm a little pissed, and hopefully VidIQ would actually, you know, explain themselves about that. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Holy crap, they got some set of balls. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,